This is my 14th lecture on group theory for third sem honors and BSc students. I Miss Ranjana Datta from Graduate School College for Women, the Department of Mathematics. Today we will study the cyclic group. Definition. A group G is called cyclic if for some A belongs to G, every element X belongs to G is of the form A to the power N, where N is some integer. That is, some A belongs to G. Some A belongs to G. Every element X in G is of the form A to the power N, where N is some integer. The element A is then called a generator of G. If A to the power N also belongs to G, for every X belongs to G, then we say that A is the generator of the group. There may be more than one generator of a cyclic group. There may be more than one generator of a cyclic group. If G is a cyclic group generated by A, then we shall write G is equal to A or G is equal to A. The element of G will be of the form G a to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 2, a to the power minus 3, up to a to the power 0, and that is equal to a square, and a cube if a is the generator. Of course, they are not necessarily all distinct. They must not be distinct. Now, the multiplication of group I1 minus 1, I minus y is cyclic. We can write G is equal to I square, I cube into I to the power 4. That is, G is a cyclic group and I is the generator. Also, we can write G is equal to minus I square, minus I cube, minus I to the power 4. Hence, minus I is also a generator of G. So, I and minus I both are the generator of G. The multiplication group 1 omega and omega square is cyclic. The generator are omega and omega square. Suppose G is a group and A belongs to G. Let H be the subgroup of G consisting of all integral powers of A. That is, H is equal to A to the power N, where N is belongs to I, that is set of integers. Then H is a cyclic subgroup of G generated by A. If H is equal to A to the power N, where N belongs to I, then the set of integers H is a cyclic group of G generated by A. The group A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is addition modulo 6. The this group is generated by 1. Another generated is 5. So in this way we can see that J is a group. Similarly, the multiplicative group of nth root of unity is cyclic, a generator being e to the power 2 pi I by n. The additive group of G of all integer is cyclic, a generator being 1. We have 1 square, 1 to the power 0 is 0. Sorry, 1 to the power 1 is 1, 1 square is 2. Here, addition modulo since then 1 cube is equal to 3 and so on. So, the additive group of G of all integer is cyclic, the generator being 1. Some more properties of a cyclic group. Every cyclic group is an abelian group. Let G is equal to A. That is a cyclic group generated by A. Let X, Y be two elements of G. Then there exists integer R and S such that X is equal to A to the power R and Y is equal to A to the power S. Now, X into Y is equal to A to the power R into A to the power S. equal to a to the power r plus s is equal to a to the power s plus r is equal to a to the power s into a to the power r is equal to by x. Thus, we can say that xy is equal to yx, that is x and y belongs to G, therefore G is abelian. Now, take another example. If A is a generator of a cyclic group G, then A inverse is also a generator of G. Let G is equal to A being a cyclic group by A. That means AR be any element of G. Then R is some integer. We can write AR is equal to A to the power minus 1 to the power whole to the power minus R. Since minus R is also the integer, therefore each element of G generated by A minus 1, thus A inverse, is also a generator of G. Now, theorem. A cyclic group G with generator of finite order n is isomorphic to the multiplicative group of nth root of unity. Let A be a generator of the cyclic group. Since the order of A is n, therefore n is the least positive integer such that an is equal to E. We shall show that this group has exactly n distinct elements. A square, a cube, a to the power r is a to the power n is equal to E is equal to a to the power 0. Now, two elements of this can be equal if possible. Let A r is equal to s. R and s both belongs to 1 to n, but s is less than r. Then A r minus s is equal to a to the power 0 is equal to AE. Since r minus s belongs to 0 to n, therefore e to the power r minus s is equal to E implies that the order of A is less than n. Hence, since the order of A is n, that is n is the least positive integer, so that A to the power n is equal to E. So here r minus s is equal to E and r minus s is less than n. Hence, all the elements of A are distinct. Let T is equal to NP plus Q. A to the power T is equal to A to the NP plus Q. This can be written as A to the power N whole to the power P plus A to the power Q is equal to A to the power N is equal to E, and that's why A to the power Q, and this is equal to A to the power Q. So A to the power Q is one of the n elements of 1. Hence, G has exactly n elements. Now, let I is equal to e to the power 2 pi I r by n and 2 pi I 1 by n, 2 pi I 2 by n, and so on. That is the nth root of unity, where r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Consider a mapping f from G to G dash. Let FAR is equal to e to the power 2 pi I r by n, where r lies between 0 to n minus 1. Consider the mapping f from G to G dash defined by f a to the power n is equal to e to the power 2 pi I r by n, where r lies between 0 and n minus 1. The mapping f is 1 1 since f a to the power n is equal to f a to the power s implies that e to the power 2 pi I r by n is equal to e to the power 2 pi I s by n. This implies r is equal to n, that is ar equal to as. Again, the number of elements in G is equal to the number of elements in G dash. F is 1, 1 implies F must be onto G dash. Finally, F is F into a to the power R into F a to the power S is equal to F a to the power R plus S is equal to F a to the power NU plus K, where U is some integer such that K lies between 0 and N. Note, we can write R by S by N is equal to U plus K by N. So F of NU into a to the power K, F of a to the power NU into a to the power K can be written as a to the power N whole to the power U and a to the power K. F of. So f of a to the power k, because a to the power n is e, a to the power nu is e, so f a to the power k. So e to the power 2 pi ki by n by definition of f. So e to the power 2 pi hui by n into e to the power 2 pi ki by n, because e to the power 2 pi ui is equal to 1. So e to the power 2 pi I nu plus k divided by n is equal to e to the power 2 pi I r plus s by n is equal to e to the power 2 pi I r by n into e to the power 2 pi I s by n is equal to f a to the power r into f a to the power s. F preserves composition in G and G dash, hence G dash is isomorphic to G dash. Since every finite cyclic group is of order n, is isomorphic to the multiplicative group of nth root of unity, then we can say that there is one and only one cyclic group of order n. See the example on your screen. How many elements of the cyclic group of order 6 can be used to generator of the group? Let G is equal to A square, A cube, F4, F5, S6 is equal to E. So you can form a table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this way. So then performing this table, that is 1 into a equal to a, 2 into a is equal to a square, and this way. Now we can see from this table, it is obvious that all the elements occur in the first row corresponding to a and the fifth row corresponding to a to the power 5. Hence, a to the power 1 and a to the power 5 are the generator of the group. So, only a to the power 1 and a to the power 5 are the generator of this group. So, today this much only. Thank you.